Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to change your Facebook page name using your phone. So let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and open Facebook app. And then tap on the profile picture on the top right corner of the screen. From here you need to switch to the page that you want to change the name of. You can do that by tapping here and then tapping on the page. Or you can tap on pages right here and choose that page. Now I'm going to be using this page right here for the example of this video. I go ahead and tap on it and then tap on switch right here. After that, tap on the page icon on the top right corner and then tap on the gear icon right here. Once you're here, tap on page settings and then tap on name. And once you're here, just tap on the name and do the change that you want to do to it. Once you're done, tap on review change. It will require you to type in your password before you can save the changes. Now it's important to know that it takes 3 days for the review to happen and to approve the name. And you can't change your name again for other 60 days. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thanks very much for watching.